Our next guest is Petr.
Hello there.
Yeah, Petr and his co-founder successfully exited a tech startup, Avocode, a few years ago, and he's currently building a vibe coding tool called Macaly. And I asked our speakers to share a fun story with vibe coding with me, and this one is really spicy and personal. So thanks, Petr, for sharing this. I'll share this with you. Petr is bothered by the fact that he can get pretty mad at AI when it's not listening to him. So he gets angry and call its names and or even attacks it. And he's worried that he might do this to people eventually. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to Peter's talk, and we'll do some adjustments, but seems you are ready, right? Okay, so please welcome Petr.
Hello, everyone. Cool. So I only have 10 minutes, so I'm doing what I will do. I will do a live demo, and because we will wait a few minutes, I switch to slides, and then we will go back, and we will eventually see a fail or success. So. So Macaly is, let's say, in a category of vibe coding tools. I will talk more about how we differentiate in a little bit, but right now let's do this prompt so we can kick it off. So a story. Let's say you inherited a business, cleaning business. It's like old business, it's working, your parents, they retired, and you ended up with something like this. It's a website, actually. It's a pretty old website. It was probably cool at that time. It's over 20 years old, but you are thinking that maybe it could be there could be a new website, more modern, stuff like that. So what are your choices? You are a solopreneur, you are not a developer. So what can you do? You can maybe ask some web agency to do it. But the web agency said, okay, 100K Czech crowns, and it will take 2 to 3 months. Okay, so what are your other choices? You could maybe find a developer, but developers, you don't know them. They are also expensive, maybe a bit weird. So okay, what's your other choices? You could learn maybe something like a Webflow, but still it's very similar to programming, but you just do it with your mouse. And then you found Macaly. So let's try it. I inherited a business. It looks like shit. The website looks quite outdated. It's azy.cz. I hope it's correct. Yes. Please make it modern and yeah, make it nice. And just like this is a live demo, so let's do something more interesting. Let's also have a contact form on the homepage, which is going to be connected to the database. Okay, let's try it like that. And now let's talk about Macaly, and then we will see if the result will be good or not. So yeah, Macaly, what's the problem? I already said that if you are not a developer, it was very hard for you to build a software, a website, anything. That's changing now. That's changing how the AI is evolving. It's starting to be like very good, but not for everything. And we think right now the best fit is for marketing pages. That's where we can see that you got the aha moment like very fast, and it's working most of the time. So yeah, you could use Macaly for this. And how we are pitching it is that we are not a vibe coding tool, but we are a platform where you can build it through vibe coding, but then you can host it and manage your marketing websites there. You could also get analytics there and stuff like that. I will show it later. So yeah, we got this question a lot, like how you are differentiating, if there is a Lovable or Macaly, or there is a Bolt, or there is like steer code. There are so many of those, and every week there is a new one. So right now we are like saying that we are like best fit for marketing pages, because if you are building a marketing page, you have so many specific needs there. Like maybe you need to track like visitors. Maybe you need like intercom widget there. Maybe you need to do A/B testing. You probably want to have your website good for SEO. Like good luck with Lovable, which is not good for SEO because of their technical choices. So yeah, what we are saying is that we are good for that. We are, because of our technical choices, we use Next.js, which means that by default everything is like server-side rendered. So if you build a website, Google actually can see it. So it's good for SEO. Then we have like so many focus tools for you. So if you are building a content website, you might need photos. So we have like connection with Pexels. You might know Pexels is like photo bank. You can also scrape the old website and build a new one. We will see if the result will be good or not. We have some image editing capabilities. So you can, if you need to generate something which is not in Pexels, like astronaut riding a horse, we can do it, or image editing. We are also very focusing on auto-fixing stuff, because there are still times when the agent, do something stupid. But if you run like, TypeScript checks, some, CSS checks, maybe even AI checks, you can catch a lot of stuff. So yeah, we think, I already said that, but we think the current state of LMs are not suitable for everything. So good luck like building some like huge SaaS with, I don't know, Replit or something like that. It will suck for you. It will be good at the beginning, but then it will suck. So we think this marketing niche right now is the right fit. And I'm not saying it's going to be all the time like this. Eventually, it's going to be improving, but right now we are not there. And if you are not a developer, it's super hard for you to build something overly complex, like like a rohlik.cz. It's not possible to do it with vibe coding tools, just vibe coding tools. So we are building it for solopreneurs or small businesses. And you can either start from scratch, or if you have some old website, we can scrape it for you and rebuild it for you. And the vibe coding part is really just one piece. We have like one-click publish. We are using a Versal, so everything is super fast for you. Then you can buy a domain through us. We have built-in analytics, or coming soon. We have database integration out of the box. And yeah, if you build something, it's mobile first by default. And there are like so many different things. When you build a landing page, you usually need a cookie banner and stuff like that. We can like focus on this niche and do it perfect for that. Yeah, this is how it looks like. I think it's pretty familiar. If you know Lovable or other stuff, you have like a chat, and then you see the results. You don't need to install anything. It just works. You can also use it on your phone, which is quite nice. I use it all the time like that. And yeah, in terms of traction, we launched about 2 months ago. We went from 0 to 10K MRR. We have like good signups, I would say 2K per week. We are super small team, just 5 team. Thanks. 5 full-time members, and we are not VC backed, so it's not, yeah, we need to be smart about the money and our time. And in terms of my talk, this is obviously made in Macaly, but let's see how it end up. Like, I hope it's going to be good. So, okay, it's still working. It's checking the errors. So that means that if everything is all right, we should see it. So I was quite fast. Okay. I have a backup plan, obviously. Make mistakes. Thanks, man. Next time I will use it. Now, no, I think it will work. It's just slow. So okay, so maybe not. So we can check it later, but for now I will open something I tried just before I came here. It was kind of similar. I inherited a website, blah blah blah. So it scraped it. It used some photos from the photo bank. You can eventually make it a bit different, but I also wanted to show something which is not yet on the production, but I think it's going to be quite cool, and that's the database. We picked Convex. Do you know Convex? Okay, so Convex is more like sync engine. It's on top of like Postgres, and why it's cool. It's basically like open source Firebase. And if this will work, I will. Yeah, let's check it. But just to finish this one, I will show that it's completely seamless. And we can then check the other one. Hello there. Okay. And when we check the database, should be here. Okay. So let's check my other app. Okay. So I would say it looks a bit better than this. And then I'm pretty interested if the data. Yeah, okay. So because this is not on production, I do it in a very lazy vibe-coded way. So I think the form will work here. If I do something, I need to clean my room. Send it. Okay, let's check it. And okay, it's not there. So yeah. Bit broken, but you can imagine when we make it stable, it will eventually be nice. But it's here right now. I just refresh it, but yeah. Okay. I think that's my time. So thanks a lot.